good. Now we consume something
So from the aeration basins, water comes into the middle of the trough. You can see it's fairly dark, fairly dirty, but it gets a chance to settle out. And this is what the result looks like. Besides the algae, don't mind the algae, it's pretty clean water coming over. Secondary treatment, secondary clarified.
This is mostly sedimentation.
It's sedimentation. So what gets, there's actually tubes down here on this arm that we draw off the bottom, all the sludge, and that gets pumped back into the aeration basin, and therefore broken down further, and we remove the bug. So the bug gets to get worked again, and then we get rid of the salt. The overall fairly clean water, this is part at 10 BTU, which isn't too bad. You're drinking about 0.5 BTU per BTU. So fairly clean. From here we have filters. Check out filters.
What do you do with the water after
Yeah. Okay. Right now we're in a contract with so we'll do a good thing. There's no revenue, no profit prices, no rates, so we don't. It's all out.
all right. Okay. Algae everything.
Okay, so what we have here is our tertiary treatment. So we got physical removal up front, we got secondary, which is biological, and now we got chemical. So we got coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation. So those first two chambers, we got chemical addition, flocculation, more chemical, and we got sedimentation down here. Looks somewhat decent, needs a good cleaning. NTU is probably about 5 right now, besides all the floaties. From here we go to filters, which is right here. We have 8 filters. And they will pretty much filter all the floaties out of it, chemical wise, and any coagulation that gets through. And then from there, we put it in chlorine contact, which is pretty much kill off any bugs, any organisms, any parasites, virus. And that water gets sent downstream after. Currently, we're in the phase of possibly selling the water to ag use, and hopefully keep the fuel rates down.
What do you use as a fluctuating agent?
We use ACH, aluminum chlorohydrate, and then we use polymer for coagulation. And that,
An accurate here. After chlorination gets released,
it gets dechlored, so we get rid of chlorination because we don't want to kill anything downstream. So we get rid of the chlorine with sodium bisulfite, and then from there on, it gets pumped down a pipeline to the river. From the river, it gets drawn out and pumped down to Westside District, which they're possibly going to buy our water for irrigation.
so they are buying the water right now.
They're in the process of doing it. Not yet. So, that's about it. Any questions?